What's up, business buddies? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is message request plus email finder plus email. As I mentioned on the preview, send message request to a LinkedIn profile, then find his professional email. If found, send email. And these are the steps that will be applied. Let's go utilize this action. You can create the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Next, you're gonna choose the list of your prospects. You can either add all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Next, you're gonna type your message requests. Then you must select the delay between the message requests and the email finder. Here you're gonna select an email, tap your email subjects and your email message. And here you go, your campaign is created.